We want a little bit of water because any little catch can throw that whole top off, right? And here we are, slowly opening that clay up, extending our fingers out. Curl that up at the top edge just a little bit. Slowly let go. Look at that, guys. I think this one looks really great. Alrighty. Keeping that bottom, there's this little bubble in there, so we just gotta be wary of that when we start to pull this up. Get our knife tool right up underneath, saying hello. Right to the bottom. Nice. Alright, here we are.